Hello everybody, Fotoman here, and today we are up in Lamont County, and this video is on a couple of churches and a cemetery and a hall that are all on the same, I guess, quarter section of land. So it's kind of cool the way that they've got two different churches sharing a cemetery, and then there's a Ukrainian hall as well. I know the churches were built, well, originally they were built in the 1800s, the log ones, but obviously over the years and from fires and things like that, they've gotten new structures and all that, which you'll see in the video. So it's pretty neat. And of course, a lot of history. And this section of land is just west of the grotto, the Skaro shrine and grotto, which I'll have a video of that itself on the channel as well. But as always, thanks for tuning into the channel and watching the videos. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you on the next one.